be taking care of the skin at home. We're going to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. We're going to smooth the skin, lift, tighten, and firm, reduce the deep laugh lines, lift the sagging skin, and we're going to also lighten and brighten the skin. We're going to be using a facial serum. And if you know anything about a serum, you know that it is a skin repairer. This is what you apply on your skin to patch things up, to get rid of dull skin, to smooth the wrinkles and fine lines, to reduce the puffy eyes and the eye bags, and also to lift and tighten the skin. This is an anti-aging facial serum, all natural ingredients. So if you're looking to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, you're looking to transform your skin from dull, rough looking skin to a more younger, radiant, youthful glow, then follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share the remedy with you, and I'm going to share some tips and how best to use it on your skin for amazing result. To make our facial moisturizer, we're going to be using some soy milk, and I'm using about a tablespoon of the soy milk. Soy milk is rich in anti-aging properties that will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It will also help to boost the collagen production on the skin. My next ingredient is cucumber seed oil. And cucumber seed oil is very nourishing to the skin. It's the light oil that will penetrate deep into the skin and soften and hydrate the skin. So I'm going to use a teaspoon of the cucumber seed oil. Pour this in the soy milk. My next ingredient is aloe vera gel. And aloe vera gel will help to hydrate the skin, reduce the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, and keep the skin looking younger and fresher. It will also help to clear pigmentation on the skin. I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons of the aloe vera gel. Pour this in. Now for this recipe, you can choose to use a blender or you can choose to whisk it. So here we have soy milk, aloe vera gel, and cucumber seed oil. Now my final ingredients is vegetable glycerin, which I'm using as a preservative. It will help to keep your DIY longer, and also it is very hydrating and moisturizing. I'm using a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin. Now at this stage, if you have a blender, you can pour the mixture in the blender and blend, or if you have a whisk, you can go ahead and you can whisk. And now I'm gonna whisk. Now once this is done, take a look. Here we have our anti-aging facial serum. Now I'm going to stir this in a small bottle. Now let's pour this out. Now this is all liquid. I suggest if you have one of these, store it in it for easier pouring. Let me see if I can get mine in. And take a look. Here you have your homemade facial serum. Now this is a very hydrating serum. You can choose to use it on top of your facial toner, or you can choose to use it directly on the skin. Now to use this serum, all you need is about 2 to 3 drops of this. Serum can be used AM or PM, and just massage it on the skin like I'm showing here. Once you massage it on the skin, you're going to let it dry on the skin. And then you apply your favorite facial moisturizer. Or you can apply your favorite facial oil atop of this. Use it as often as you wish and you're on your way to amazing looking skin. Now this can be stored in your refrigerator for up to about 10 days. It is also best to use this when it is very cold. 2 to 3 drops, all you need. Face, neck, and décolleté, AM and PM. Amazing anti-aging, wrinkle fighting facial serum. All homemade. So there you have it. I told you this is such an amazing remedy. However, you're not going to know if it's all that great. I mean, some of you can tell by the ingredient, but if you really want to know how amazing this is, you will need to try it for yourself. So whip it up in your kitchen and use another substitute ingredients that I shared on the video. So go ahead and make it, give it a chance to work on the skin at least 3 to 4 weeks, and then what? Hop on back over on my channel and leave your comments. Can't wait to get your views on this amazing serum. So thank you all for watching. If you like the video, thumbs it up. That is how you show your love to the channel, and comment. That is how you let me know that you're feeling this recipe. And guess what? While you're at it, share it on your social media platform so that others might see and come over and enjoy the goodness, get their face to look amazing in a short amount of time using all natural ingredients. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.